Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about friend class in C++ programming. A friend class is declared inside another class to access the private and the protected member of that class. Like an example, we have one class A and the class A has one private data member, and we have another class B. Now if we wanted to access the private member of class A inside the class B, then inside the class A we have to declare friend class B, and this way the class B has become one friend of the class A. Now inside the class B we can create one object of class A, and we can use the object and we can access the private member of the class A. Like in this example program, we have on class A with the private data member. Now to access the private member of class A inside the class B, we have declared friend class B. So now the class B can access the private member of the class A. So we have created one function called getData, and inside the function we have created one object of class A, and then we have used the object and we have accessed the private member of the class A. And now inside the main method we are going to create one object of the class B, and we are going to use that object and we are going to call the getData function. So now I'm going to save the program and I'm going to run the program, and you can see value is 10. So this is the way we can use the friend keyword, and we can declare one class as a friend of another class, and then we can access the private data member of that class from inside the friend class. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.